Morning, Shaurya.
Okay, now what are we going to do? How we start our session? By our welcome song. Yes, so I want everyone to, yes, Ridan. Ridan, wow, thank you, Ridan. Yes, everyone to get up and let's have our welcome song. Here comes Kiara, here comes Pramit, Priyanshi. Hello. Yeah. Okay. First, everyone has to get up with teachers and let's have a welcome song. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Where is my welcome song? Here. Abracadabra.
Gilly gilly choo.
Lovely.
Okay, class. Who would like to do problem 3 on the board? Please don't be me. Please don't be me. I know, Miss I.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay. Now we'll do some exercise also. Get up. Yo.
Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's
Very good,
play.
children.
Stretch up,
Stretch up.
stretch down,
Go down, go down, go down.
spin your head, turn around,
Turn around.
move your shoulders, up and down,
Up and down.
stretch your arms,
Stretch your arms. Very good, children.
turn around. Good morning, how are
Yes,
you
Kiara.
today?
Coming.
Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play.
Let's so you all can now sit down. A very good morning to all my kids. A silent jumbo hug from Mithali teacher. Yeah, so today we are here to have some fun. You know what is that fun and activity? What is that? Who will help me? Who is going to help me? Who is it? Yes, yes. Rida? Yes? Yes. Okay, what do you understand by planting plants? What do you understand by that? What do we do? Yes, who will help me? Yes. So, yeah. Yeah, lovely. So today we are going to have a planting activity. Okay, so how do we we protect our plants. We love our nature. Yeah, Mother Nature. So today we are all going to learn how to grow a plant. Yes, but before that, let's listen a story. Yeah, so Krishma teacher is going to tell us a story. So what you all have to do? You have to keep your yes, you have to keep your jumbo ears open and the magnetic eyes. Yes, on the screen. And jump to silence so that we'll enjoy our story time. Okay? Okay. Yes, Krishma teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So everybody is ready. Okay. So do y'all know who is coming to meet y'all today? Yes. Okay. Peek a boo. What is this? Okay, so I will tell you the story. Yes, so once upon a time there was a boy named Rahul. Yes, he was looking out of the window, and he was wondering that what is this green? What is this? Yes, what is it called? He was so eager to know that what is it green. Yes, so he called his mama. So she comes. Yes, Rahul, what happened? So Rahul asked his mama that mama, what are these green? What is it called? Yes, so mama said, this is plants. They are plants and trees. Yes, they are living things, and they gives us oxygen and fresh air. Yes, they gives us oxygen and fresh air. So Rahul asked his mama, so mama, how do they grow? How do they grow, mama? So his mama said, yes, mama said they grow in proper sunlight, they grow in proper water. Yes, they give proper water, and then slowly they grow very fast. Yes. So Rahul asked his mama, so mama, can we grow plants in our house? So she said, yes, we can grow a small plant in our house. So Rahul asked, for planting a plant, what do we need? What do we need? So Mama said, we need proper soil, we need proper water, we have to give them a proper sunlight. Yes, and you have to give proper nutrients to the plants. Yes, and Rahul was very happy. Yes, he ran, and he got all the materials. Yes, and he was so excited. And he said his mama, let's go to plant a plant, to grow a plant. And they ran, and they went to grow a plant. Yes. So, did you all understand? Yes, like Rahul, we all are going to grow a plant today. Yes, but for growing a plant, what do we need? Yes, what do we need? We need proper soil, water, proper sunlight. Yes, we need proper sunlight. Yes, so we have to give them proper water. Yes, okay. So
You
did you all understand? Yes. So now Twinkle teacher is going to help us how to grow a plant. Okay, yes. So yes, Twinkle teacher, we all are waiting.
Yes. So now I will show you how to grow a plant. Everyone is ready with your materials? Niara, lovely doll puppet. I saw your doll puppet. It was lovely. Yes, lovely. Okay, everyone is ready with your materials? Yes. Okay. So first of all, take a plate. Yes, we are going to take a plate. plate first. Yes, everyone has their plate with them. Yes, and on that we are going to put our disposable glass or any pot. If you have, see teachers having this pot. Have you made holes? Can you see the holes on my pot? See,
Yes,
has
teacher.
made
Yes,
five
teacher.
holes.
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to take this pot and place it on a plate. Place it on your plate. Now, what do we need for growing plant? Everyone has their soil. Give me a soil. Yes, very good. So now we are going to take some soil. Take only half of the soil now. And take half the soil and put it in the bowl, in the pot.
Oh my.
Only half soil in the pot.
Your soil is ready, isn't it?
All are enjoying. See, we're going to grow a plant.
Everyone is doing right.
The candle in the soil. Don't want that.
Yes.
So teacher has kept some soil for later use and she has filled, see, so much soil. Show me everyone is ready. Very good. Vansh,
Very good. Yes,
Vansh.
Priyanshi,
Yeah.
everyone. Siddhant. Yes, Shaurya, Vedika, Sanvi, Shreyas.
Andy Shreyas.
Yes, Abhinandit, Angela, Niharika, Pramit, Kiara. Lovely.
Lovely. Okay, now
Ridan
what
is
are we
also
going to
done.
do? One is done putting some soil in the pot. Now we are going to take our seeds. The teacher is having wheat seeds. Show me your seeds. Which seeds are you all having?
I'm having yellow
Okay, very good. Now we are going to put some seeds on the soil. Now see, teacher has taken some seeds and she will just randomly put in the soil. See?
Good. Very good.
Very good. Lovely.
Lovely, everyone. Everyone is done with putting some seeds in the soil.
Why?
Yes. Very good. Yes.
Yes, Miara, Pramit. Very good. Siddhant.
आम्हाला टीचर सांगाल तेव्हा टाकायची माती
Now we will take the remaining soil, yes, and we will put on this so that the birds don't eat our seeds, okay? So we will put it outside the window like this only, then birds will eat our seeds. Better to cover the seeds with the soil, okay? More soil. So put the soil again, cover it with the soil, all your seeds. You have to cover all your seeds with the soil.
Very good. Yes. Finish. Now, you should start. Wash your hands.
Teacher has covered all her seeds. Can you see any seeds? No, right? So you all have to cover your seeds.
Just don't add more.
Yes, Ashni's done. Ridan, Priyanshi, Adya, Vian, Labya, Sara, Pramit, Niharika, Anora, Angela, Vedika, Shaurya, Vansh. All are enjoying. Kiara, wow. Prisha, Miara, Abhinandit, lovely. Very
Lovely.
nice.
Good job, everyone. Good job.
So what are we going to do the next thing? What will we do? Who is going to help Twinkle teacher?
Yes, please help me. What will we do now?
Yes, Adya is ready with the water
Yes,
bottle. See?
Adya.
Yes, Adya is ready with the water bottle. Lovely. Yeah, Mira is showing the
Yes.
puppet. Very good.
Now we are going to put some water. Okay, don't put much water. Only some water in the pot. Let's put. Everyone is ready for water. Okay, we will put some water.
देखना बेटा क्या करना है. प्लांटिंग बैठ जाओ.
Don't put excess of water. We will put only some water.
क्या घेव का
Half a glass.
तुम्हारा ग्लास फुटलाय.
Yes, has everyone poured the water into the bowl? Yes. Very good, Vian, Lavya,
Yes,
Rami.
Priyanshi is done.
Miara, Priyanshi.
Oh,
Very good,
Vedana is
Shaurya.
showing.
Vansh,
Very good, Vedan.
Vedan.
Miara is also done. Okay, so what is it now? We pour the water. Now, what are we going to do with this? With soil pot? Yes. Think. Where you're thinking, Cap?
what
Think.
will we do?
Now, what are we going to do? Think. Yes. Sunlight. Lovely. Think. Though they need the sunlight to grow,
So
right?
we will put it near the window. Yes, we will keep it near the window where our plant can get enough sunlight. Sunlight, air. And what will we do every day? Every day, what will you do to grow the plants? Yes, going to water our plants every day without fail. Okay. You're going to water it every day so that it can grow. See, your plant is going to grow like this if you water it every day.
Wow.
It will big. And what will come out of the plant? What are these? Yes, what are these? These are leaves, right? So when a plant will grow, leaves will come out.
प्लांट सीड्स क्या देता है? लीव्स. बैठो अच्छे से. कैसे बैठा है? टीचर का बात सुनो ध्यान से. सीड्स पूरा प्लांट हो गया. सीड्स भी डाल सकते हैं उसमें जाके.
Keep your plant near the window now, everyone, so that it can get enough sunlight.
Yara is asking, where is my plant like Twinkle teacher?
Yara, it will grow. You have to keep patience. You have to water the plant nicely every day. And if it gets enough sunlight, then it will grow nicely. See? Like this. I am growing since a month. So it has grown like this. Okay. Sunny, what do the plants need to grow? Loudly. Sunlight and oh, very good. And it needs air. Air also. Okay. Now, after a week, everyone will show to the teacher how the plant is growing. Okay, after 1 week, everyone is going to show. Teacher is going to ask you all.
हाँ देखिए भी करेंगे ठीक तो बाहर रख देंगे
So, did you all kept your pot, your bowls near the sunlight, near the window? Yes? Yes. If not, go and keep. Yes, Siddhant is doing it. Lovely. Yeah. Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Sanvi Shreya is also done. Lovely.
So within few days, your plant will also grow like Twinkle Teacher's plant. So you have to keep patience. Okay, children? Yes.
So did you all enjoy it? So what are the steps? What are the steps? Who is going to help? First, what you have to take? What are the steps? So you can grow different plants also with different seeds. What are the steps? Tell me. First step, who will help me? What is the first step? What do we have to use? We have to use? Yes. Yes, pot. Second, what is the second step? What we have to do with pot? Yes, before taking soil, we have to make a hole, right? In that pot or any container, disposable something, glass, yes? Then the second was soil. Okay, we have to pour some soil. What is the third step? Seeds. Any seeds you can take. Any seeds. Mustard seeds. Any seeds. Cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are called jeera. Yes, you can take anything. Yeah. Or else Twinkle Teacher are taken wheat. Yes. Okay, and what is the fourth step? After that, what are we going to do? We'll pour seeds also on the soil. Then, yes, we'll pour water. Not too much water, no? We'll put little bit, okay? Not too much water. Yes. Okay. And what is the fifth step? After water? Yes. We will give sunlight to our plants. Yes. So this is all 5 steps to grow our plants. So did you all enjoy the activity? Yes? Show me a thumbs up. Show me a thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, now what we can do, no? Can we all have some exercise time? Yes. So Krishma teacher will help us with some exercise. So we done with an activity, no? So let's do some exercise.
Yes. So we will have some exercise time. So everybody stand up.
Stand up, sir.
Yes. Everybody stand up. Stand still.
Stand up. Stand up.
Yes. So is everybody ready?
Yes, Krishma
Okay.
teacher.
Yes. So everybody hands up. Side. Down. Up. Side. Down. Now we are going to go a little faster. Up. Side. Down. Up.
Very
Side.
good.
Down. Very good. Up. Side.
एक्सरसाइज करो ना आ जाओ.
Okay. Now everybody hands on your shoulders. Hands on your shoulders, and we are going to do up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. So now we are going to have some neck exercise. Yes. Left. Look on the side. Left. Right.
आ जाओ बेटा.
Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Okay. So one last exercise. Yes. So what are we going to do? We are going to jog. Yes. What are we going to do? We are going to jog. Yes. Jump like this. 1, 2. Everybody. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
5,
2,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay. Yes. So, everybody feeling fresh? Those who want to drink water, go and drink water.